I'm going to guide you on how to install Windows 11 24H2 on unsupported PC. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all I will go to the location where my Windows 11 and Windows 10 ISO file are. I've already made a video on how to download Windows 10 and Windows 11 ISO files. In order to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC, first of all you need to extract Windows 10 using Rufus on the flash disk. So ensure that you've inserted your flash disk on your computer. Then you will extract this Windows 10 using Rufus. So I have made a video also again on how to extract Windows 10 using Rufus. This is the USB file where I've extracted Windows 10. As you can see, this is Windows 10. After I've created a bootable USB for Windows 10, I'm going just to mount this one for Windows 11. I'll mount it, then open. Now I will go to this PC. So as you can see here, this one is Windows 10 and this one is Windows 11. So I will click on that Windows 11, then right click on it, then I will open it in a new window. Then I'll put it here, then I'll maximize, then I'll go to sources. Then here on sources, you will look for install.wim. This one here, install.wim. So we'll need to copy this one for Windows 11, then we'll close, then now we'll go to Windows 10, then we'll go to sources, we'll open it, then we'll paste it here. Then you will click on replace the file in the destination. This is going to take a little bit of time, so we are just going to give it time for it to complete. So be patient with it, do not cancel it and allow it to complete. Now once you've replaced install.wim of Windows 10 with that of Windows 11, now you'll be able to use this USB to install Windows 11 in your unsupported PC. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please consider to leave a like and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a nice time.